Battery's about to die, so I'm gonna just go ahead and introduce you guys. Welcome back, YouTube. This is Jdmnedu here, and today we are here. We're gonna put on our banners today, and we're also working on a project here, Project Oscar WRX DC's Subaru WRX, I think. I don't know what I'm talking about, but
STI swap.
STI swap.
Hybrid build, 2.0 heads, 2.5 block, fully built, manly rod, CT pistons, 8.2 compression, Kilfer 272 cams. I'm gonna be running upgraded turbo too.
So yeah, all the stuff I don't know about yet, but I will learn. That's why I'm here. So pretty much just, I guess we're just working on it. We're going, hopefully we're gonna get the IA, right?
Yeah, should.
Yeah, you guys will definitely be seeing this car at IA. You'll be seeing my car at IA. Amari went to go get his 240 as of right now. You'll be seeing Nick's car, which is behind me. So, and if I get to see Girl today, because I'm going back to school today, you'll see his car there too. So, this is gonna be a random video for you guys. It's not really like an install or anything like that. So, you guys stay tuned.
I think that's what you're in.
Alright. I already started. I mean, I can still cut it.
Alright.
Alright, here we go. So
basically, if you guys want to see any like DIYs or how-tos on the Subarus, just let me know. And I can either show you how I did it on my car, or how like the new turbo install. I can show you guys kind of how to do that. But yeah, if you guys want to see any DIYs on Subarus, I'm also doing the ATSV Cadillac Brembo swap on this.
oh, hold on.
So if you guys want to see that, just let Justin know, and we'll film a little bit on that.
Yeah, definitely let me know. I'm gonna put a thingy up here with Oscar's Instagram, and you want your YouTube on there too?
Yeah, my YouTube.
And his YouTube. He has a channel too, so if you guys want to watch, I should go to it. I don't own a Subaru, so I can't tell you much about it. He can tell you better than I would, because I barely know about my car right now. So yeah, and hopefully when I get a turbo kit in the near future, I'm pretty sure Oscar will be helping me, so you guys will be seeing that maybe next year, because I'm broke.
Looking forward towards it.
Yeah, we're looking towards it. Let's just say that. So yeah, we're just gonna be doing random stuff. Oh yeah, you gotta say hi to Nick. What's up? Why you ugly? But yeah, let's get today started. All right, we have Lewis here. Have everybody here. Why did you cover your face?
I'm not ready at the moment.
Yeah, for what? Wait, you don't have a haircut?
I'm not getting no haircut no time soon.
Alright.
Cut
your own hair.
No, I feel like doing that either.
You're lazy.
I might cut my hair. I ain't gonna lie. I might cut my hair off. Hey.
Look, this is too. I told you. You thought I was lying? Look at this. What? Everywhere he go, literally straight.
Don't worry. Y'all rush me. I'm not gonna bring what y'all want.
Where is it? Where is it?
Y'all kept calling me, rushing me. I had to tell them to distribute it, but it was gonna take a while.
Huh?
They kept calling me.
Brother!
You should have brought it.
All right, see y'all later.
Where are you going?
What? We got a video, bro. Oh. You heard me, Justin?
Huh?
He got NVIDIA.
NVIDIA?
Yeah, it did sound good. Hey, do it again, though. I think I like
That's the first time
Wait, can someone get a Mars, please?
I don't know what he got.
Hey, Leo.
I see it.
Leo, say hi.
NVIDIA exhaust.
Say hi.
You said somebody. You said Megan. What?
Where are you going? Oh, I'm in your shop, bro. I'm in your shop, bro. Oh, I gotta take a picture of this. What am I doing? I never have thumbnails.
Yeah, it was going to Hayville. It was going to Hayville. Yeah, I remember. It was all like Justin and all. Did y'all get y'all pictures?
Huh?
Oh. What are you saying? Hey, pose, bro. Hey, little man, pose. You ain't gonna pose? Oh, alright, bet. I like that throw.
Say hi, Poppy. Say hi. What's up? See, I'm popping.
Bring the camera this way.
What,
I
man?
just wanna tell y'all, if you want to get rich like me, I own all these clothes. I own all these cars here.
Hey, hold on. Which one
I have a
focus is?
book. Yeah, it's supposed to autofocus. It's that.
Oh yeah. Can we zoom in all the way over there?
Oh, you want that one, bro? Go ahead, take it. Show them the camera. Come on, director.
Oh yeah.
You gotta have it. Let him have it. I'll let you have it. Bro, you can have it. You can have this car.
God's plan starts playing.
Oh damn. I mean, dang.
Just a single cam.
He lying.
Working on my injectors. Baby injectors.
Where they at?
That blue one right there.
Oh,
One.
I just seen
Blue
it.
one there.
Wait, where you go? Oh, there you go. Injectors.
Chicken fitment.
You want to say anything to the camera?
Like, stop
pose?
recording me.
Dang,
What are
you
you
look
doing?
good on the camera though, for real.
Right.
You getting too sassy over here.
This ugly ass motherfucker. I mean, this. Hey! Let me put this around my neck for you. One of y'all ain't done me, cause I ain't got $3,000 to pay for a new camera. And you got this ugly ass right here.
Two more.
Me and Sabrina.
Got that camera on.
Y'all gonna pose? Hey, little man, you gonna pose? Smile.
Say hi.
No.
Then we got Nicolas Cage over here. You know what I'm saying?
I walked here.
Man, you got these two ugly boys. You got one that spit flames and one that used to spit flames.
I still spit.
But shut up, you don't spit shit. I mean,
Hey Justin, let me get one of these. You had these the whole time.
Let the truck go. Okay, would you quit recording me?
dang, you made the camera look good.
Stop.
I don't.
What you what? Ah! Whoa! What you doing? Who's the? No! He said to boost delete? Bro.
No matter if you
Whoa! Expo! Whoa, Stocky! Hey, where the turbo whistle? Where the turbo whistle at? You delete it?
Yeah, for now.
Oh, okay. It's giving you like 50 horsepower?
Like 500.
Expo!
Stop! Stop!
You haven't been stopped? No. This is 5, this is 20, this is 30. This is 32? I'm gonna do 32 over here.
You didn't cancel it.
Okay.
It don't matter.
You don't matter here?
You seen the car, right? Yeah, the 3.0 twin turbo.
Hey.
And then when we pull up, be like, alright.
We brother don't have the car right now.
See? We experts, bruh.
Chill, bro.
I don't like you. Whoa!
Alright, got one of those. So you just give me one.
We stealing parts on each other's cars. 3 VQs. I forgot what engine this is. That's a Q. No. It's a.
What? Man, ever.
Look.
Hey, which way?
I mean, yeah.
We're there?
Hey, bring it to the
right. I mean, that's no. That's why Justin is the test.
No, you can. He's a test dummy.
Yeah.
Once we take it off, you can do it with that.
Is that real?
No, we can.
You know how hard it was to make that 85?
You made it?
Yeah,
I thought the dude made it.
I did.
Oh, you gotta put an 8 and a 5?
Yeah, and then cut it out and stuff on the photo, but that was so hard.
Wait, so the dude didn't make it?
No, he made the letters. He already had the characters fine. I had to make that. I drew it out first and then sent it to him.
And he made it into a banner, basically?
Yeah.
So they all
Hey, put him in football. He
look
trying.
different?
Huh?
Oh, they all gonna look slightly different?
No, they're all the same. Because he printed them the same.
Hey, let me see that.
That could have fit going down the side. I feel like it could have. That would have been cool, you know, going down the side, the left side.
Wait, are you?
Yeah.
I'm about to do some exposure.
Project 85. So this is what it looks like in real life.
Yeah. Wrong. Was that a blade?
Can you stop throwing stuff?
I was trying to see if
Hey, who
you did
pulled
it
it?
6 years.
Somebody
Me.
pulled this. I was just trying to make sure.
My bad, bros. Joking.
It is in gear.
So I was trying to make sure he had a 6 gears.
Nah, he only got 3.
Huh?
Hey, meet me outside, bro.
Alright.
What? Bro,
I ain't putting this on.
I do. You folded it?
See what happened was when you put it in the mailbox, it was already folded, so I just threw it in the backseat like that. And I think it got demolished every time I let the seat down and let it up and let the seat down and
I knew this was gonna happen, bro. Did I say that?
what the fuck is that?
What? Oh.
Hey, yo, how much you pay for this?
Huh? 15.
Each?
Yeah. All of them. 15 each. And the commentary. What? Okay, let me start walking. We're doing the next one. We're doing our turn SSG next.
It's not my car.
Wait till your car, exactly. Wait till your car come. I might
I've
just
seen
tell
this
you.
truck before.
Wait. That don't even look right.
Don't help me.
You don't know your middle from your right to your left.
It's lit, so I can't really get it.
Bring yours up. That's hard.
Now you gotta get the Carter, the thing.
Walmart car?
Race car.
What's car?
Why are you talking about your car like that?
I'm talking about your S14.
I don't have an S14, I have a 240.
You must not know your chassis name.
Yeah, you don't know yours either since you sold it for 500.
Oh!
That's what it's worth.
What?
That's what you thought it was worth.
No!
It really was. I think.
Oh, my battery finna die again. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay.
Nah, it's not even the old one. It's the white piece for that.
Another banner put on, but this time successful. This man over here crying, bro. Like I can't put on this.
Where's the middle?
I could have did it by myself.
Where's the middle?
Oh, hold on.
Left, right,
To the top, right there.
left or right?
Alright, hold on. It's perfect.
Listen.
It's perfect.
Is it?
Yeah. No, pull it up a little bit. Tilt it. Like, go up on your side, Lewis.
Go up, babe, on your side.
No, his P has to be touching the.
I'm trying to make all the things touch.
Okay. Well. This
Yeah, my center? My
yeah, it's
trying to
center.
take your car.
Huh? Huh?
Looks, yeah. There we go.
Don't be wigging, bro.
Bro, I don't know what you I don't wig.
Oh, thank you.
No! You gotta edit that? You gotta edit it?
Oh, shit. That's so funny. Who's screaming like that?
No, bro. Yeah, now yours messed up, just like mine.
That's crazy. You can't even tell.
Yeah, I ain't with you though.
Like, look from right there.
Yeah, you can.
What? Like, you're not gonna be like.
Dang.
Yeah, from over here.
I tried, why you start screaming though?
Oh my god.
They can't know to be good.
Hey, Abdul, come here. Do you see any
ask them if they
imperfections?
look good.
Alright guys, I don't want to drop my camera. look at Lewis get in. This is about to be so freaking sad. Look at this. Look at this. He's gonna need some. Look at this. He's finna. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh! Ah! Alright guys, our normal spot, Steak and Shake. I'm about to go get something quick to eat, and then I'm gonna leave because I have places to go.
What's up? Oh yeah, there it is, there it is.
Whoa, come on now.
Not too close, not too close.
No paparazzi.
Hey, man.
This one I got. Yeah, you the.
You ready for IA, Jesse?
Yeah, I am. No, I'm not. I am. Kind
Doing
of.
any more IA prep?
Trying to be in there too over there.
Yo, what's up, man? What's your name? Shout out to Steak and Shake.
Steak and Shake.
Yeah.
Doing too much.
What you mean?
You doing too much.
Whoa,
For no money? That's free advertising.
Whoa, hold on, chill.
That's free advertising.
Yeah, the horse stuff.
Wait, huh? Project 85? What's the Project 85?
Omari.
Ow! Shocked me. Project 85? Zelo. Yeah. Project 85? Yeah. I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys. I'll see all of y'all. Yeah, I'm about to go straight there. Tomorrow?
Hi, Justin.
Oh yeah, for my house.
Tomorrow your birthday?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Yeah, I can come over there. This recording?
It's in Atlanta.
This recording?
You going
Yeah,
straight to
sure.
Atlanta.
Alright guys, I got a 240
Hey, you wanna
S14.
close it? You can close it. That's what I was about to do.
But I want to see myself though.
I mean,
If y'all want to see me, I got an S14. My Instagram is Nappy Drifts. I post about it all the time. Hey, look at this truck. If y'all into diesel, here it goes. I don't know how to zoom. I'm sorry, I can't help it. If y'all ever want to catch up with it, starting from the blank scratch, Nappy Drifts.
I'm standing on the road.
NAPPYDRIFTS. Alright, here you go. You take it back.
anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe, Jdmnedu everywhere except for Snapchat, which is ASIEGBU. Wow! Man! Whoa! Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace.